everyone, welcome to Career in Pharma. Now this is a special video for all our nursing graduates, either BSc or MSc in nursing, and if you look forward for pharmaceutical industry, then this video is for you. Now why I have made this video is because we are getting so many calls from nurses where they really look forward to make a career inside pharma industry. But they have three myths in their mind which is stopping them to step into pharmaceutical industry, and because of these myths, pharma industry, they are not able to understand that yes, pharma industry is for them also. So number one myth is coming from nursing graduates is they think that pharmaceutical industry is for pharmacy graduates or for doctors, not for nursing graduates. Number two myth is nursing graduates they feel that there are not enough opportunities for nurses as this is just for doctors or pharmacy graduates. And number three and the last myth is because as we have most of the testimonials from dentists or other healthcare professionals, they believe that as we don't have any testimonial for nursing graduates, so they are not able to trust on us. Their concern is why we should believe on you because you don't have any success story to show for any nurses. Yes, so let me debunk all your myths through this video today, and I hope after watching this video you will be in a position to decide and to step into pharmaceutical industry. So let's do one by one. Number one, see, pharmaceutical industry is not just for pharmacy graduates or doctors. We also need nurses. Why? Because as a BSc nursing or a nursing graduate, you already have information about drugs and disease. Definitely you don't know into much detail as any doctor will be knowing, but whatever basics are required to get entry into pharmaceutical industry, that knowledge you already have. So why to stop yourself? And yes, considering the knowledge you have, you also can work inside pharmaceutical industry. Yes, obviously there are different roles available as per the qualification. So if I talk about for nursing graduates, we have clinical research coordinator, clinical trial coordinator, clinical data coordinator, pharmacovigilance associate. So these are the profiles you can work inside pharmaceutical industry. Yes, and you can reach up to level of DM, manager, and even vice president or president of any company. Yes. Number two myth is that you can't find enough opportunity or you are not able to see that it's really for nursing graduates also. Yes. So let me show you the few LinkedIn profiles of nursing graduates who are really doing well inside pharmaceutical industry and in a senior role inside pharmaceutical industry. Now along with this, I also want to debunk the third myth, that is if you don't have any testimonial for nursing graduate, how you can trust on us, right? See, it is not easy to take testimonial from each and everyone where they need to talk or they need to show their faces. So not everyone is comfortable in doing so, and because of privacy and confidentiality reasons, we can't share also the data which we have. We have success stories from nursing graduates as well, but as most of them they don't really allow us to share the data, so we can't do that. But yes, through few LinkedIn profile we can show you that if other nurses they can do it, then why not you? Yes. So let's check out these profile. I'm going to share my screen, and once again, the LinkedIn profile which I'm going to share you because of privacy and confidentiality reason, we can't show you the person name, but yes, we will show you the educational qualification and the professional experience that person is holding. So there is one person who is BSc in nursing. You can see the qualification part. So this is the education part where you can see this person is BSc Nursing from NTR University of Health Sciences. After that, this person also did master's degree in clinical research from Medical University of South Carolina. Yes, but before that, he also worked into various pharma companies. Let's see. He started his pharma career from Baxter International, which is a very good and renowned pharma company. Then he is in IQVIA in an associate manager role. So you can see that yes, if he can do, then definitely you can also. Let me show you one more profile, and this person is clinical data management scientist. Let's see her profile. So she is also, Bachelor of Nursing, BSc Nursing from Ebenezer College of Nursing, and then she started her career into pharmaceutical industry as a process analyst in Accenture. Before that, she was lecturer in her college, where she was lecturer for around 3 years, and then she moved into pharma industry, started into Accenture first. Then she is still in Accenture and she is into senior clinical data management role. So you can see how it is possible, how you can do. Also, let me share you my YouTube channel where we had interview with a nursing graduate. Now let me tell you this person, which this interview you can find as in our YouTube channel, where I had an interview with Nas. Now let me tell you, this person was in IQVIA with me and she is BSc in nursing. So you can check out this entire podcast, this interview with Nas. You can check out this where she had shared all the details how she was able to. So point is, yes, as a BSc nursing graduate or nursing graduate, definitely you can work inside pharmaceutical industry and you can be a part of pharmaceutical industry, and not just working, you can be into many senior roles. So please don't go behind or don't scared of stepping into pharmaceutical industry, which is equally for all. So I hope through this video you got clarity that as a nursing graduate, yes, you can also do this. And still you have any query, my team is there to guide you further, to counsel you further. And I hope this video is going to help you for sure, for all the nursing graduates who really have this myth that pharma industry is not for us. So yeah, that's all for this video. Goodbye. Have a nice day.